let's have a look at my new excavator. This is from China, and many things are inclusive. We have a plane bucket, we have a braking hammer, we have a Nero bucket, we have an auger, we have a ripper, tools. You can see here the fuel tank, we have joystick steering. Behind you can see the engine. Is with electric starter, the engine, hydraulic pump. On this side you can see hydraulic oil tank. Working light. And for the tools, hydraulic. And the machine is complete and no problem to send to Germany or to all other countries. Thanks for questions.